Well, I figure I'm making a video here and update some of you what's been going on. Been working like mad the last couple weeks. Or more like last week and a half now. We started planting about a week and a half ago. Going like mad, planting away. Running an 8360R with the ILS in it. Quite a smooth ride, mind you. Floating across the field. Planting at 6.97 mile an hour. This planter is a good load for the tractor. I don't know if you can see, but it's the front wheels are throwing dirt pretty good, so it's pulling. This is actually a softer spot in the field, so it's not spinning as bad, but there have been times where it's run 15-16% slip all the way across the field. Working good though. Got on a 2600 display. My favorite thing about these tractors is this iTech. I have it set up right now to where it lets the planter down, engages four-wheel drive, and turns differential lock on when I click that ahead. So instead of doing all that every time I turn around, it does it all for me in one step. And I got a couple other things hooked up to that. I don't remember what else. My only gripe is I should be able to use this iTech to engage auto steer, but that doesn't work like that, unfortunately. So I'll show you what I mean. When I pull back on this lever here, it'll turn off the differential lock and raise the drill out of the ground. And so click back, differential locks off, drill's out of the ground. Turn around, we engage auto steer and click it ahead. The drill goes back in the ground and differential lock is back on. Got cameras. This front sensor here likes to act up, so we put cameras in the carts for each hopper, and then if I use this handy dandy remote, I can change screens in it. And it's touchscreen too, to where there's a camera off the back of the cart showing me what's going on behind me. And then you can click on it, and the front tank and the rear tank. Your planter monitor, your front and back, to turn your front and back tank on. Pretty much you never touch this, it does it all on its own when you raise the planter up. And then your fan speed, your air velocity, which the sensor is broken so I don't read nothing. Shaft speed, how many acres I've done with this planter so far, and then how many acres each hopper has done. This hasn't been reset in a while, but yeah, 65,000 cubic feet of air, 6,500 cubic feet of air. Fan speed, tractor speed. Then I got this alarm, but I have problems with one of the blockage sensors. This has like this drill was made by Flexicoil. When you bought this drill from John Deere, it didn't come with blockage sensors, so the previous owner added blockage sensors to it. And what am I trying to say here? Anyways, it's giving problems and we can't figure out what the matter is. So I unplugged it back there, and that's why it's throwing this code. And then this code here is because the front tank is inaccurate. Other than that, it works good. Throw it back on fan. Just ride across the field and look at the sunset. even got my spare tire. Well, that's the gist of it. Have a good one.